Cars that deliver mind-blowing acceleration. Some cars are quick, others completely redefine what quick actually means. From electric hypercars that rewrite the laws of physics to legendary machines built for pure speed, these are the 8 cars that deliver mind-blowing acceleration. And by the end of this list, you'll see which one deserves to be called the ultimate king of acceleration. Number 8. Rimac Nevera. The Rimac Nevera is the kind of car that completely changes the way people think about speed. Developed by the Croatian company Rimac Automobili, it arrived with one clear objective: to prove that the fastest acceleration in the world no longer needed a roaring engine to make its point. Instead, the Nevera relies on cutting-edge electric technology to deliver an experience that feels almost unreal. Every sharp line, sculpted panel, and aerodynamic detail serves a purpose, creating a hypercar that looks futuristic without becoming overly dramatic. It is bold enough to turn heads, yet refined enough to let its performance remain the center of attention. What truly separates the Nevera from almost everything else on the road is the effortless way it delivers its speed. There is no build-up, no hesitation, and no warning. The acceleration arrives instantly, catching even experienced drivers by surprise and leaving passengers searching for words to describe what they have just experienced. More importantly, the Nevera represents a new chapter in automotive history. It challenged decades of convention by proving that electric power could outperform many of the world's most celebrated hypercars. Whether you admire it for its engineering, its innovation, or simply its breathtaking performance, one thing is difficult to deny. The Rimac Nevera has permanently changed the definition of what true acceleration looks like. Number 7. Tesla Model S Plaid. For years, the idea of a luxury family sedan outrunning exotic supercars sounded almost ridiculous. Then Tesla introduced the Model S Plaid and turned that assumption into yesterday's news. What appears to be an ordinary 4-door executive saloon has become one of the most shocking performance cars of the modern era, proving that breathtaking acceleration no longer belongs exclusively to low-slung hypercars costing millions. Unlike traditional performance machines that rely on dramatic styling and thunderous exhaust notes, the Plaid hides its true capabilities behind a clean, understated design. That is precisely what makes it so remarkable. From the outside, few would expect a practical electric sedan to deliver the kind of performance that leaves purpose-built supercars struggling to keep up. The most astonishing part is how effortlessly it does it. There is no waiting for gears to shift or engines to build revs. The instant the accelerator is pressed, the Plaid surges forward with a force that completely changes your perception of what a family car should be capable of. More importantly, the Model S Plaid proved that extraordinary acceleration could exist alongside everyday practicality. It carries 5 passengers in comfort, offers generous luggage space, and can handle the daily commute with ease. Yet the moment the road opens up, it reminds everyone that the future of performance has already arrived. Number 6. Pininfarina Battista. Some cars are built to dominate the track, while others are created to be admired like works of art. The Pininfarina Battista somehow manages to do both. Named after Battista Pininfarina, the founder of the legendary Italian design house, this all-electric hypercar combines breathtaking beauty with performance that borders on the unbelievable, proving that elegance and extreme acceleration can exist in the same machine. Unlike many modern hypercars that favor aggressive styling above everything else, the Battista embraces a more graceful approach. Its flowing bodywork, sculpted curves, and carefully crafted proportions give it an unmistakably Italian character. It looks less like a machine built for speed and more like a rolling masterpiece, yet its performance tells a very different story. Hidden beneath that beautiful carbon fiber body are 4 electric motors producing an astonishing 1,900 horsepower and 1,741 pound-feet of torque. The result is an explosive launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.79 seconds, before continuing to an incredible 217 mile per hour top speed. Those figures place the Battista among the fastest accelerating production cars ever created, standing shoulder to shoulder with the very best the automotive world has to offer. What makes the Battista truly special, however, is that it never sacrifices refinement for outright speed. It delivers astonishing performance while surrounding its occupants with handcrafted luxury, making every journey feel as exclusive as the car itself. In an era where many hypercars compete only for bigger numbers, the Pininfarina Battista reminds us that true greatness can also be measured by beauty, craftsmanship, and the unforgettable experience it creates behind the wheel. And we're only getting started. The next car takes acceleration to a level very few machines have ever reached. Number 5. Bugatti Chiron Supersport. Few names in the automotive world command as much respect as Bugatti, and the Chiron Supersport is a perfect example of why that reputation has endured for generations. Built to push the boundaries of both engineering and luxury, it represents a level of performance that very few manufacturers have ever been able to achieve. Every detail, from its extended bodywork to its carefully refined aerodynamics, serves a purpose without compromising the elegance that has always defined the Bugatti name. Unlike many modern hypercars that rely on dramatic styling to grab attention, the Chiron Supersport carries itself with quiet confidence. Its long, flowing silhouette and signature horseshoe grille instantly identify it as a Bugatti, while its sculpted rear section hints at the incredible performance waiting beneath the surface. It is a car that looks fast even when standing completely still. What truly sets the Chiron Supersport apart is the effortless way it delivers its performance. It never feels nervous or unpredictable. Instead, it combines immense power with remarkable stability, giving the driver the confidence to explore speeds that would seem unimaginable in almost any other road car. That balance between raw performance and refinement is what makes the Supersport so extraordinary. More importantly, the Chiron Supersport proves that ultimate performance does not have to come at the expense of luxury. Inside, it offers the craftsmanship, comfort, and attention to detail expected from one of the world's most prestigious automotive brands. It is not simply one of the fastest cars ever built. It is one of the finest expressions of automotive engineering, where speed, luxury, and timeless design come together in a way that very few cars ever can. If you're enjoying the countdown so far, make sure to hit the like button. We've got some incredible machines still to come. Number 4. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Ferrari has spent decades building some of the world's most celebrated performance cars, but the SF90 Stradale marked the beginning of an entirely new chapter. Named in honor of Scuderia Ferrari's 90th anniversary, it became the company's first series production plug-in hybrid supercar, proving that electrification could enhance Ferrari's legendary driving experience rather than replace it. From every angle, the SF90 Stradale looks unmistakably Ferrari. Its low, aggressive stance, sculpted bodywork, and sharp aerodynamic lines give it a sense of purpose that few modern supercars can match. Every vent and every curve has been carefully designed to improve airflow, creating a car that feels equally at home on a racing circuit or a mountain road. Beneath its striking exterior lies a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 to produce a combined 986 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Launches the SF90 Stradale from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds before reaching a remarkable 211 mile per hour top speed. It is a combination of raw combustion power and instant electric response that delivers relentless acceleration at every press of the throttle. What truly makes the SF90 Stradale special is the way it blends Ferrari's racing heritage with the technology of tomorrow. It remains every bit as emotional and engaging as enthusiasts expect from the prancing horse, while proving that hybrid technology can elevate performance to an entirely new level. Rather than changing Ferrari's identity, the SF90 Stradale expanded it, creating one of the most exciting and technologically advanced supercars the company has ever produced. Number 3. Lamborghini Revuelto. For more than half a century, Lamborghini has built its reputation on outrageous design and thunderous V12 engines. The Revuelto carries that tradition forward, but it also embraces the future in a way few enthusiasts expected. As Lamborghini's first series production plug-in hybrid V12 supercar, it proves that adding electric power doesn't dilute the experience. It makes it even more dramatic. One glance is enough to know this could only be a Lamborghini. The razor-sharp bodywork, aggressive air intakes, and unmistakable Y-shaped lighting give the Revuelto a presence that demands attention wherever it goes. Every angle looks purposeful, creating a machine that appears ready to attack the road even before the engine comes to life. Beneath its striking carbon fiber body sits a 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12, supported by 3 electric motors, producing a combined 1,001 horsepower and 793 pound-feet of torque. That launches the Revuelto from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds before charging on to a 217 mile per hour top speed. It delivers the unmistakable soundtrack of a Lamborghini FR12 while adding the instant response that only electric motors can provide. More importantly, the Revuelto proves that Lamborghini can embrace new technology without sacrificing its identity. It still feels wild, theatrical, and unapologetically loud, yet beneath all that emotion lies one of the most advanced performance cars the company has ever created. Rather than replacing Lamborghini's legendary formula, the Revuelto has evolved it, ensuring the iconic V12 continues to thrive in a new era of automotive performance. If you thought that was impressive, wait until you see what's coming next. This one changed the game completely. Number 2. Koenigsegg Jesko. To challenge the established giants of the hypercar world, but Koenigsegg has built its entire reputation on doing exactly that. The Jesko is the company's most ambitious creation to date, named after Jesko von Koenigsegg. It is a machine designed to push the boundaries of engineering while proving that innovation can still outperform convention. Every inch of the Jesko has been shaped with performance in mind. Its low stance, sculpted bodywork, and advanced aerodynamic package create a car that looks purposeful from every angle. Massive air intakes, an aggressive front splitter, and a dramatic rear wing are not there for appearance alone. They work together to keep the car stable as the speed continues to climb. What makes the Jesko so remarkable is its ability to combine incredible performance with astonishing precision. Rather than feeling intimidating, it responds with an accuracy that inspires confidence, allowing the driver to explore its limits with surprising control. Every steering input feels immediate, every corner feels calculated, and every burst of acceleration reminds you that this is one of the most advanced hypercars ever created. More importantly, the Jesko represents Koenigsegg's relentless pursuit of perfection. Instead of following trends, the Swedish manufacturer has continued to develop its own unique solutions, creating a hypercar that stands apart from anything else on the road. It is not simply built to be fast, it is built to redefine what a modern performance car is capable of, ensuring the Koenigsegg name remains at the very top of the automotive world. Number 1. McLaren Speedtail. McLaren has never been afraid to challenge conventional thinking, and the Speedtail is perhaps the clearest example of that philosophy. Rather than chasing lap records or building another track-focused hypercar, McLaren set out to create a machine that prioritized effortless speed, aerodynamic efficiency, and grand touring comfort. The result is unlike anything the company had produced before, a car that feels more like a vision of the future than a traditional supercar. Its appearance is instantly distinctive. The impossibly long, streamlined body, smooth flowing surfaces, and dramatic teardrop silhouette have been designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Even the smallest details serve a purpose, giving the Speedtail a graceful elegance that stands apart from the sharp, aggressive styling found on most modern hypercars. What truly makes the Speedtail special is the way it delivers its performance. Rather than overwhelming the driver with raw aggression, it builds speed with remarkable smoothness and stability, creating the sensation of effortless acceleration. The central driving position further enhances the experience, placing the driver at the heart of the car and making every journey feel unique. It is a driving experience focused as much on refinement as it is on outright performance. More importantly, the Speedtail proves that ultimate performance does not always have to come with uncompromising brutality. It combines luxury, innovation, and breathtaking engineering into a package that feels both exclusive and timeless. Instead of following the traditional hypercar formula, McLaren created something entirely different. A car that redefines high-speed grand touring while reminding the automotive world that true innovation often comes from taking a completely different path. So do you agree with our ranking, or would you change the order completely? Share your own top pick in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another journey into the world's most incredible cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.